It's time to clean your room. It's time to clean your room. Come on everybody, it's time to clean your room. It's time to clean your room. It's time to clean your room. Come on, you can do it. It's time to clean your room. It's time to clean your room. It's easy to do. Stop picking things up off the floor. Make your room look clean and new. Put your toys back where they go. Fold up all your clothes. Clean your room and sing this song, and you'll be done before you know. When you make your bed, it feels great when you get in. When you pick things up, you have more space to play with your friends. So pick up as much as you can, and you will see your room looks nicer when it's clean. It's time to clean your room. Dust off all the drawers. Check under your bed and vacuum the floor. You can play, 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 then put your toys away. Never leave them on the floor. Never hide them behind the door. Each toy has a place. Each toy has its own space. Make it so the toys are never seen. Keep your room tidy and keep it clean. We want you to be curious and have fun. Just make sure to clean it up when you are done. Look around, you did it by yourself. Now the room is clean, things are organized on the shelf. You don't have to use a bucket or mop, but when you are done, you should always clean up. After you play, 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 you should put it away. Now you're done cleaning your room. You're done cleaning your room. Look around, you did it. You're done